For sale. A historic lakefront villa with private shoreline. Located in Brandenburg, Germany. It offers 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This impressive lakeside estate spans over 9,000 square meters of manicured grounds between Lake Dagow and Lake Shoreline. Featuring approximate 70 meters of private shoreline and convenient access to Berlin. Built in 1907, the villa blends English country house architecture with Art Nouveau elements and has been carefully preserved. With its direct lake access and peaceful setting in Brandenburg's Lake District, the property offers a unique lifestyle close to nature. The asking price of this historic lakefront villa is €3,350,000. Suitable as a private residence or for use as an event or hospitality venue, this listed estate combines historic charm with modern potential in a tranquil yet accessible location. Thank you for watching.